Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to crochet some flowers. I am using two colors, yellow and beige fine yarn and 2.5 mm crochet hook. So let's start with magic circle. If you don't like to make magic circle, just chain 4 and join first and fourth chain. So this is our magic circle. And now chain 1 and make 12 half double crochet inside the circle. So this is your first half double crochet. This is your second half double crochet. Third half double crochet. Fourth, fifth, sixth, seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Close the loop. So pull the loosely end and join with slip stitch. Find first stitch. So this is here is the first stitch, and make a slip stitch. Cut the yarn. So this is our first part. Now let's make petals. So with the yellow yarn, insert your hook into any stitch, then pull the yellow yarn and chain 2. So 1, 2, and now make 2 double crochet into the same stitch. So this is your first double crochet. And this is your second double crochet. And now chain 2 and make 2 double crochet into the next stitch. So not into the same stitch, but to the next stitch. So this is your first double crochet and your second double crochet. And now chain 2, 1, 2, and make slip stitch into the same stitch. So slip stitch into the same stitch. And now slip stitch to the next stitch. So the first petal is finished. Now make second petal exactly same way like you made first petal. So chain 2 and make 2 double crochet into the same stitch. This is your second double crochet. Now chain 2 and make 2 double crochet into the next stitch. Chain 2 and slip stitch into the same stitch. Slip stitch here, yes. And then slip stitch to the next stitch. So once again, chain 2, make 2 double crochet into the same stitch. Chain 2 and make 2 double crochet into the next stitch. Then chain 2 and slip stitch to the same stitch. Make 3 petals more. Slip stitch to the first stitch, cut the yarn, that's it. Hope you guys liked the video. If you liked, please leave thumbs up. If you have any suggestion, please leave comment. Thanks for watching, bye.